Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I will show you how to delete a Twitter account. Firstly, you need to open your Windows. Then, you need to go on Google Chrome. After coming the Google Chrome, on that address bar, you need to search twitter.com. After coming the Twitter homepage, then you will see more option. Then you need to click on more option. After click on that, then you will see settings and privacy option. Then click on it. After that, you will see deactivate your account. If you click on that, then they will show you some rules. They'll have this will deactivate your account. As like you are about to start the process of deactivating your Twitter account, display name, hashtag, username and public profile will no longer be viewable on twitter.com. And what else you should know? You can restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. That means you can restore your account within 30 days after deactivation. If it grows, then your account will be deleted for permanently. I hope you guys understand. I think you like our effort. So if you enjoy our video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye. We'll see you in the next video.